Hello friends, today I have come up with an exclusive design of bottle painting with chess pieces and coats. At first we will take an empty glass bottle and apply 2 coats of acrylic white paint, then keep it aside to be dry. These are printouts of chess pieces which you should cut neatly to apply as a template. Then take a piece of paper and draw 2 parallel lines of 8 cm, keeping a gap of 1.5 cm. Join it to make a box. Then divide the box into 5 equal parts. Now draw 3 boxes on both the sides. Here I am drawing the lines, and when I will join them, it will become 3 boxes on both the sides. Now when you finish the boxes, one more box on each side has to be drawn. Do it in the middle. Now look at the shape. We will cut this and use it as a template. In the meantime, the bottle has become dry. Place the template in the center, leaving some gap below. First use a pencil to draw, then use a black marker to draw the lines. When the design is complete, color with black acrylic paint. Here I am joining the lines to make the boxes, and then I will color the boxes, not all the boxes. Use a flat brush to paint the boxes. Here it is done. Now let's place the king on the chessboard and draw the outline, and then color it with black. Finish the outlines with white to make the black king distinct. This is I'm doing on the one side of the bottle. Now on the other side of the bottle we will paint the queen first. Every piece will be colored in black as the base of the bottle is painted white. After the queen has been painted, I am painting 2 bishops on both the sides. Color them properly. Next we will add the knights. The knights should be facing towards the queen. Now add the rook and lastly a pawn in the middle. When the color is dry, give the outlines with white so that it looks prominent. Now it's time for some coats. So pick up a black glass liner and start writing. Before that, be sure to make a line with pencil so that your writing comes out in a straight line. Write whichever coat you like. Then lastly, apply a coat of acrylic varnish. This acrylic varnish will give the gloss and longevity to your product. Hope you liked this bottle painting idea. Thanks for watching. Bye.